Today, I'll be showing you how to make the softest corn muffins you will ever have. They are super moist and fluffy inside and very quick and simple to make. This is the sweet version, but they can easily be made savory too. All you really need are some pantry staples, cornmeal, and sour cream to make this. Welcome back, my name is Daniel, here to show you simplified recipes that are easy to follow using common ingredients. If you're new to this channel, remember to hit subscribe and the notification bell for more delicious recipes that your friends and family will love. Now let's get started on this super easy corn muffins. Start with measuring out 2 cups and 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Then add half a cup of cornmeal and 2 tablespoons of cornstarch to this. Also add a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of baking soda, and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Whisk all these dry ingredients together and combine well. Then set it aside. Pour a 1/4 cup of vegetable oil into a large mixing bowl and add a 1/3 cup of white sugar to this. Whisk this all together vigorously to help the sugar dissolve. If you want more flavor, you can swap out the oil for melted butter. Crack in 1 egg and whisk that in until it is glossy and smooth. Then add half a cup of sour cream and half a cup of milk. Whisk that in thoroughly. It shouldn't take long and come together very easily into a liquid consistency like you see here. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit and add your dry ingredients into the wet ingredients. You do not have to sift it like I'm doing here, especially if the cornmeal you use was not finely ground. I thought I would be fancy and do the extra step to avoid lumps, but as you can see, it actually worked against me because I used medium ground cornmeal. Just simply pour your dry ingredients in and you'll be fine. Fold in the dry ingredients until all the flour disappears and it is just combined. Don't overmix this batter or you will get a tough muffin, and we do not want that. Be sure to grease your muffin liners well and use a spoon of some sort to scoop the batter into the liners evenly. I just got this new cookie scoop with a release trigger that I'm super excited about. Unfortunately, I did not listen to my own advice and put way too much batter into the first few muffins. I did have to redistribute the batter later on to have enough for the last 2 muffins, in case you were wondering why the first few looked so big. This recipe should yield about a dozen or 12 medium-sized muffins. Now they are ready to bake at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 15 to 18 minutes. They should be nice and golden in color on top, and a toothpick inserted into the center should come out clean. Let it cool in the pan for several minutes before transferring the muffins to a wire rack to cool just a little more. They are best served warm with a slather of butter and honey. And there you have it, my quick and simple yet delicious corn muffins recipe that will have your mouth watering. If you're craving cornbread, you will absolutely love these muffins. They are perfect for an easy breakfast or for snacking any time of the day. I hope you give them a try. Enjoy! Alright everyone, it is time for the taste test. Cornbread muffins, corn muffins, whatever you want to call them. First bite, here we go. Ooh, they're still warm and they smell so good right now. I can't wait to dig in. Here goes the first bite. Oh, that's nice. Got a great texture to it from the cornmeal. And it's a nice light sweetness, not too sweet, but so good. Oh my God, it's incredible. I'm just gonna finish one more bite first. That taste of the corn is really coming through here. It's really good. So these are amazing and super soft and fluffy, as you can see, because that sour cream we added in, which you can't taste at all. So if you're worried about the tang or the acidity from the sour cream, you don't have to worry about that. And these also keep really, really well. You can freeze them and have them a little bit later. You can make a huge batch of them and bring them to potlucks or parties. They're perfect for barbecues, especially outdoor barbecues. And you can have these sweet or savory. What I like to do is I like to do it sweet like this, but then add a little bit of butter and then drizzle some honey on top. That is absolutely delicious. I've had that many times like that before. But if you want it savory, throw in some bacon, throw in some cheese or ham or sausage, something like that. And take out the sugar or take out most of the sugar so you get this nice savory cornbread. So it's really kind of up to you how you want to make these corn muffins. This is a great base recipe for you to kind of customize that to your liking. And these are perfect for breakfast as well. You can make them in the morning from scratch. It takes no time at all. And you can have freshly baked corn muffins every single morning if you like. So I really hope you try this recipe out. Your friends and family are gonna absolutely love this one. They're not gonna be disappointed, I guarantee that, and you're gonna love them as well. And as always, if you like this recipe, give me a big thumbs up. Let me know in the comments below what you like to put into your corn muffins. And remember to hit subscribe and the notification bell for more delicious recipes. I will see everyone soon. Till next time, bye everyone.